Let's look at GJ, quick structure on GJ. And you can see this was posted last month. We have this on our page, and feels good to see price return and respect our supply roof. And I think GJ at the moment will be ranging from the supply to the demand floor. We had this price action from 2023, and we had a first touch, support structure one, support structure two, giving us an ascending trend line. And after price tapped into the supply roof, where you have this ascending trend line, the psychological ascending trend line, act as support, act as support, act as support, break of the support structure, price came on retest one, retest two, retest three, sold off. GJ took out all the bullish move within few days and a return on retest from a breakout of a structure. We have here support structure, resistance structure, break of a resistance structure, retest, retest one, retest two, and price has left. And what we see here at the moment is the game of patience because it will be impossible to tell exactly where GJ is going from here. Although from 2023, GJ has been uptrending, but that uptrend will have a heavy bearish candle after price returned to a supply roof and sold off significant loss. Majority of the gains taken out. So what we'll see here is we'll have a roof and we'll have a floor. So the market will range. So when price comes to the roof, you sell. When it comes to the floor, you buy. This is what we'll continue to see until we have official breakout. So if price break out from the roof, then you wait for retest, where we convert a supply roof to a demand floor. And if price breaks the support structure, then we are going to use the demand floor as a supply roof. So to sell down, and I believe the market have kept a purple support structure since 2023. When price return here by, return here by, return here by, officially I declare it a demand floor. A demand floor is an area, a psychological area, either ascending or descending or horizontal, that where price returns and it repeats itself. So at the end of the day, this becomes the bullish zone. Some traders call it a bullish order block, where the bulls, where the big guys want to buy. So they already know. So once price comes to this level, it's well calibrated. So once price comes to this level, it's an activated buy. The market is well calibrated. If you understand market structure, you understand that calibration is real. Before every sell, before every buy, there are strategies that tell you where market will buy exactly at a point due to the calibration. So in as much as we bring in things like market manipulation, which from my understanding of market structure, there's nothing like manipulation. Everything that happens in the market is based on the structure. So you see, when price returned here, price came down to this place to retest a broken structure, a broken resistance structure. Test here, demand one, demand two, and it's still wholly responsible. When price return, we expect the next buy to be in this zone. So if that happens, expect your buy at this level. Expect a buy at this level. So we'll be watching this purple support structure, a break of the purple support structure, which is likely. Anything is possible in the market. The Bank of Japan have been making some changes in their monetary policy, especially the buyback bond of a Japanese bond. So I believe that if its monetary policy helps Japan to maintain right inflation rates, this could continue to strengthen Japanese yen against other currencies, and we could be seeing some changes. So, the BOJ is really doing well, especially the relaxation of security lending. It's a big one in the month of October. So the BOJ relaxed terms and conditions for security lending facility for cheapest to deliver issues. So it's a very key information, very strong fundamental analysis for BOJ strengthening Japanese bond demand. So we will look at the Japanese bond yield, 10-year bond yield, 30-year bond yield for Japanese yen. And we also look at the the British pound's 10-year bond yield. We look at the 30-year bond yield And from there, we'll look if we have an inverse correlation and see if the price align with the strategy to help the fundamental analysis drive the market. Otherwise, I see GJ going down from here. I see it going down because price has already tapped into a supply roof where it meets resistance. And at this level, I don't think price will act otherwise. We need a fundamental analysis, a very strong analysis to break the structure. So if the supply roof is broken, then we can use as a demand floor to target up. If that doesn't happen, I see price coming down. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. But at the moment, I think it will be a time of negotiation. Market will consolidate, where we'll have a floor and we'll have a roof. So you watch out every time price gets to the roof, you sell. Every time price comes to the floor, you buy. So make sure that price is at the roof or at the floor for you to make critical trading decision. So that's what we have for GJ at the moment. The price action is not different from AJ, and I think EJ should be doing the same. So the next we look at is EJ to see what EJ is doing.